southwestern Polk County in central Iowa, northeastern Madison County in south central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, northern Warren County in south central Iowa, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Winterset, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Des Moines, Norwalk, Windsor Heights, Des Moines International Airport, South Ridge Mall, Des Moines, Carlisle, Principal Park, Iowa Events Center, Drake Stadium and Knapp Center, Pleasant Hill and Iowa State Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 54 and 71. Interstate 80 between mile markers 134 and 137. Interstate 235 between mile markers 3 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Madison, Polk, and Warren. A tornado